Assalamualaikum everyone. Good afternoon. Today, teacher want to sing animal sound with the puppet. Let's sing with me. This is a frog. Ong, ong, ong. This is a frog. Ong, ong, ong. This is a frog. Ong, ong, ong. Ong, 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 ong. This is a cow. Moo, moo, moo. This is a cow. Moo, moo, moo. This is a cow. Moo, moo, moo. Moo, 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 moo. This is a cat. Meow, meow, meow. This is a cat. Meow, meow, meow. This is a cat. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. This is a duck. Quack, quack, quack. This is a duck. Quack, quack, quack. This is a duck. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. This is a dog. Woof, woof, woof. This is a dog. Woof, woof, woof. This is a dog. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, 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 woof. Hello. This is a cat. C-A-T, cat. Meow, meow, meow. Hello. This is a frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Ong, ong, ong. Hello. This is a duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Quack, quack, quack. Hello. This is a cow. C-O-W, cow. Moo, moo, moo. Hello. This is a dog. D-O-G, dog. Woof, woof, woof. Teacher provides you with a worksheet. In the first page, write the number based on sound. Next, match the correct answer. Good luck!